Would humble people send your gal dick pics? Would humble people hack your shit? Would humble people stop you from making your point? Would humble people talk behind your back? Would humble people watch you masturbate and spread it to the masses, including their children? Would humble people have you mocked all over the world? Would humble people put you on trial and question your sexuality even though they're doing the very thing they're accusing you of? Would humble people do that? Yet we focus on humility when it's humiliation. And I know what you're gonna say. I don't care. Guess what? Neither do I. Because I have plans for the future. Yeah? I have plans for the future. Yeah? And while you're busy reveling in your so-called short-term future victory, I have other plans. And to be honest, if I knew things were gonna go this way, I would have just wrecked you all in the beginning and done my time. Because it would have been the same time anyway. Do you understand me? So, would humble people send your girl dick pics? Do humble people lie? Are humble people competitive with strength and can't take the fact that you're just well built and stronger than them? Can humble people let something go? Can humble people let a situation go? Would humble people pay you back your money? Would humble people try to scam you and then claim they are God? Okay, I rest my case. Would humble people tease you for meditating and then pray themselves to you only to mock you afterwards? Okay then.